Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can assign ringtone to any contact on your OPPO F23. So to do this, the first you have to find and open the phone dialer, and then you have to move for example, from the recents to the contacts. And right now all you have to do is just to select any contact that you want and click right here in the right upper corner. Then we have to select Set Ringtone. And as you can see at the first, we got option with the custom ringtone. So when you click right here, you will be moved to the storage of your OPPO F23, where you can locate music files and also the recordings. So you can pick your default, your custom audio file. And when you go back, you can also find all the system ringtones. So for example, we can switch to the calm. And then you can just go back, and as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.